Hi guys, this is Roddy with DirectDMedia and today we'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A12. Let's get to it. First thing you see when you open the box is this Samsung envelope. Inside, there's your documentation. Underneath the envelope is the Samsung Galaxy A Phone 12 itself in the color black. Look at that beautiful unibody design. It doesn't look like there's a frame separating from the front and the back of the phone, which is super refreshing. Underneath the phone, we have our SIM card ejector, a 3.5mm Samsung earphones, a USB Type-C cable, as well as the 15-watt fast charging adapter. And that's it for the quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A12. If you're interested in purchasing your own, be sure to visit us at any DirectD outlet near you or even at www.directd.com.my. This is Roddy with DirectDMedia. Thanks so much for watching!